Damn, look how low that is.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jennifer. If you're new, today we'll be doing something a little bit different. It's actually my day off, so day off from like everything, I guess. So we're gonna wake up my little brother. We set it up yesterday until almost 4 a.m., 5 a.m. ish. I'll edit the last video that I just posted, guys. So I'll put the link down below so you guys can check it out. It's a little review on the strap bar and the coilovers. So right now, guys, we're gonna go have fun. Enjoy. It's sunny out here, so we won't be doing much recording, but on the car at least. But we'll have fun over there. Stay tuned, guys. This room's messy. Look at this guy, dude. Come on, wake up, dude. Let's go. Damn, look at those shoes. Damn, my sister. There it is, the man behind the scenes. As you all know, guys, I don't like usually recording my personal life, personal stuff, you know, family things and everything. But, you know, my brothers always help me out. My sister always helped me out with my videos, gave me ideas, gave me all these little details. And I do appreciate that, you know. Like I was telling them, I do appreciate it. I will give them a shout out and everything, their Instagram and everything. But I felt like that wasn't enough, you know. As a big brother. So just last week after the photo shoot that I went with the homie Jacob, I decided to stop by and get shoes for my brothers. I guess a little thanks for helping me out. So yeah, just a little something back, you know. They're always there for me. They're always there to help me out. See this guy over there, like he's hard to wake up. He's just like me. He's really hard to wake up. So, all right, guys, let's get down to business. All right, guys. So when my little brother doesn't know, so far we've been doing so good with the waking up, training, hustling, going, you know, working out. Gym closed. It messed everything up. Gyms are closed again. Kind of sucks. So everybody knows I do have my backyard gym that I've been working out there. I'm trying to still go out for jogs with my brother. And just try to stay healthy, you know, try to drop the weight that I gained over quarantine. And yeah, I mean, I always say healthy, guys, you know, healthy body, healthy mind, healthy body, you know, this is how it works, you know. Try to stay busy, you know, because a lot of people are going crazy. You got to stay busy, stay positive. So what he doesn't know, they're actually when they go to the beach and when they do a little jog, a little cardio, make sure to take the soccer ball, do a little, you know, football here and there, back and forth. It's a whole different thing when you run on the sand. So we're going to be doing that today. So hope he likes it, hope he goes along with it. So stay tuned for that, guys. Obviously, we got to get that moonroof up. That panoramic view, though. Car's a little bit dirty, guys. We do have to go detail it today for sure afterwards. Alright, guys, this is why girls have the brains and mostly guys have the muscle, whatever you call it. I literally went inside the house like, what, 4 times, man?
Maybe, yeah. Actually, 3.
Towels, wallet, sunscreen, or sunblock, whatever you're gonna call it. What else? I don't even know what else. But thanks to COVID, guy, another business was not gonna be opening, not very soon. Beautiful Cali weather, guys. Sunny.
Okay.
So funny that nobody especially. Oh, some people with masks over there. I was gonna say nobody with masks, but some people with masks. Look at the beautiful WRX, the famous WRX STI. Alright, guys, so we're trying to find a beach to go. We passed by Oceanside. I want to go to the Carlsbad. I'm like, what? I'm like, Encinitas. I'm like, damn. I'm like, you know more beaches than I do, man. I'm all about Oceanside and La Jolla, but this guy. We'll see, though. We'll see.
Encinitas.
Encinita, there you go. Alright guys, huge shout out to Joey Totos for having my organizer. But now I literally ran out of space, and thank God I got a lot of coins, because before I was all about just the car, the credit card. Now thanks to all the quarters, I'm able to pay the parking lot to go to the beach. So alright guys, so made it to the beach. Got some McDonald's cheap meal day. Here by the pier. See how we do this. Trying to look for a spot. It's definitely less packed on this side.
Remember, guys, use sunblock.
Yeah,
Want to turn out to be like a bird, sausage or something, you know?
lobster. You don't want to get sunburned, guys. Remember that. Football time. So we're here, what should I say? We already went out of the beach. Woo! A little racers, a little knuckleheads. Look at that, you saw that? What are the odds? Something went down over here. We're gonna try to change lanes and see maybe what happened. We got an OG over here, look at that. Slamming.
No slapping.
You guys see in the front, there's the cops over there. I don't know what went down. She had to go down. I'm gonna try to go down. I wonder if because people are not wearing their mask, or because oh, look like somebody got rear-ended. Oh, so dang. Wow.
That's an OG cartoon.
So like an old school truck, which is, you know,
Pretty rare.
parts of metal, literally just got crashed.
Next one.
Alright guys, we just came out of the store. We're buying all the Peruvian beer. This video is definitely not sponsored by them, but we gotta show a store here. Actually, we were searching all over and we couldn't find it. And a local store where we live at, they have it. So we're buying all of it just because we can't find it. By the way, guys, I'm not an alcoholic. We don't drink. My dad and I, we drink like barely like once a month. But this is worth buying, because if you don't buy it from them, then they won't order more. So I guess they're just trying it out, see if it's a good sell. And we got the meats. You like it or no?
Wow.
Alright guys, so wifey taught me how to cook this meat nice and slowly. You get to the point where it's medium rare. Takes a while, but it's so worth the wait though. So juicy, so different, you know. And this is just for me. That's for the family. The thing is, guys, a good cook would always tell you this. Always, before you even sit down and eat, before you even sit down and serve, you have to wash the dishes. Every dish that you're using, you know, fork, spatula, I don't know, the seasoning, everything, you have to wash it. It's the main thing. So while you're cooking and waiting for, you know, the meat to be done, you rarely wash what you used before. So it's a quick tip for everyone. The thing about this, I don't trust dishwashers for no reason. I don't feel like they wash 100%. So I go old school. I hope you guys enjoyed my day off. Just if you guys do want more vlogs as a daily, you know, just comment down below, like, comment, subscribe, share this video, fam. You know, it's just something new that I'm trying on and see how it goes. See if you guys like it. I know it's just the first one, so I'm getting started. I need less camera shy, I guess you can say. Anyways, fam, thank you guys for watching. And don't forget, guys, it's not just about the cars, so stay sexy.